Hi, my name is sbogdady, and I'm with Miss Rana Tyara today. We have the nice open house. It's beautiful here in Roswell, Georgia. Just want to share with you that we have really good programs for first-time home buyer and for the zero down payment. So if you are interested, you can reach us. Our contact information is in the post. The zero down payment now actually is really great because you can get the down payment assistance without even if there is your income is high or income above the average median income area, you still get the down payment assistance and zero down payment. Some programs are FHA, some programs are conventional. Both programs are really helping first-time home buyers. So reach out to us and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.